How to fix laptop only works when plugged in. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix laptop only working when plugged in. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your device manager. So search for device manager here and open it up. After you're on your device manager, you should find batteries option. Expand on that and you should see your uh, control method battery here. You can open this up, head over to the driver section and just update the driver. Tap on update. You can browse to your computer for it. You can pick from the list of available drivers. And if you have multiple ones, just select the one that's just best. Do your research for it. And after you've done that, if it does not work, you can disable the device and then re-enable it. After all that, what you might want to do is also check your battery plan. So search for battery and you should find the power plan. If you don't find it, you can just open up your control panel. Search for control panel and you should see power options here. If you don't find it, just make sure that you have the option to large icons in view by. Select power options and tap on change plan settings and you can restore it to default and save the changes. Now, if that does not fix your problem, you might have a really low battery health. So without proper power, your battery might not last. So that's the reason you might have to get plugged in all the time. So get it checked and you can replace your battery as well. So just go to the service center or get to the repair shop and repair your laptop. And that's the fix for the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.